They say information is power, but for healthcare workers, it's more than that. Information has the power to save lives. In critical care, the ability to source patient records efficiently can make a vital difference. So data access needs to be simple, secure, and swift. Grace relocates your existing records to rapid response archives, allowing urgent information to be dispatched on demand at all hours. With fully police-checked staff and the industry's most secure chain of custody, sensitive information stays strictly private. Grace will even dismantle old shelving and equipment to help you free up all important floor space, so you can focus on patients, not paper. Download Grace's free in-depth report on the best information management strategies for healthcare. Get the answers. Get better.